In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Google form. Whether you need a hard copy for a meeting, a sign-up sheet, or simply a backup for your records, I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few helpful tips along the way so your printout looks the way you expect. First, open the Google form you want to print. You can do this from your Google Drive or by going to your form's dashboard and selecting the form from the list. Make sure you're in the correct Google account if you manage multiple ones. Before you print, take a moment to scan through the questions, confirm everything is up to date, and check that any required fields or descriptions look correct. If you'd like a quick look at how it will appear on paper, use the form's preview to see the layout and spacing. Next, look to the top right of the form's editor. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the More Options menu. Click that icon to open additional actions for your form. This menu is where Google groups many handy tools, including the one we need. From the menu that appears, select Print. This tells your browser to open the print dialog for the current form. You should see a preview of the pages and a panel with print options. Now choose your print settings. Start by selecting your destination printer if you have more than one. Pick the layout that fits your content best. Portrait is typical for forms, but switch to landscape if your questions are wide. Adjust options like color or black and white, paper size, margins, and scale to improve readability. If you're printing for distribution, consider turning off headers and footers so the printout looks cleaner, and decide whether to include background graphics if your form has colored sections. If you need a digital copy, you can switch the destination to Save as PDF right here in the same dialog. When you're ready, click Print. If you need multiple copies, set the quantity before you confirm. Give your printer a moment to process the job, and then review the first page to ensure everything lines up and is easy to read. If something looks off, maybe text is cut off or crowded, return to the print dialog, tweak the margins or scale, and try again. If the dialog doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and verify that your printer is online. That's it. You've successfully printed your Google form quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching and happy printing.